Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give read-only access to a shared mailbox in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can manage your email accounts and shared mailboxes. Once you arrive at the page, log in using your Microsoft credentials if you haven't already. Wait for your inbox to load completely before moving on to the next step. Once your email has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for the option that says Open Another Mailbox. This is the feature that allows you to access and configure shared mailboxes that have been set up for your account. Click on it to proceed. After selecting this option, your shared mailbox inbox will appear on the screen. This gives you access to all the folders and emails within that shared mailbox. Now hover your cursor over the inbox folder within the shared mailbox. When you do this, you'll notice a three-dot icon appear next to it. This icon represents additional options for managing the folder. Go ahead and click on it. A context menu will pop up displaying several management options for this folder. From this menu, click on Sharing and Permissions. This option is crucial because it controls who can access the mailbox and what level of access they have. Clicking it will open a new window where you can configure specific permission settings. In the Sharing and Permissions window, you'll need to set the appropriate access level. Look for the permission level drop-down menu. Click on it and several different permission options will appear. These options range from full control to read-only access, each serving different purposes depending on your needs. From the list of permission options, click on Reviewer. This permission level is specifically designed for read-only access, meaning users can view the contents of the mailbox but cannot make any changes, delete emails, or send messages from it. It's the perfect setting when you want someone to monitor the mailbox without modifying anything. Once you've selected Reviewer as the permission level for the folder, click the OK button to save your changes. The system will apply these settings immediately, and the shared mailbox will now have read-only access configured for the specified users. And that's it. You've successfully configured read-only access for your shared mailbox in Outlook, ensuring secure monitoring without editing privileges. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.